In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and apply for a job on Amazon's job portal. Whether you're looking for a position in the tech department, logistics, or customer service, Amazon offers a vast array of opportunities for various skill sets and interests. Today, we'll navigate through the process step by step, ensuring you have a smooth experience. First, let's head over to Amazon's job portal. Open your web browser and type in the URL for Amazon Jobs. You'll be directed to the main page of the portal. Right away, you'll notice it has a clean and organized layout, making it easy to start your search. On the home page, you'll find several options like Find Jobs and Career Areas, which can guide you to different categories of available positions. If you know exactly what you're looking for, there's also a search bar at the top. Enter keywords related to your field, your preferred location, or even job titles to get tailored results. Next, let's focus on finding the job that best suits you. When browsing through positions, it's important to consider your qualifications, experience, and interest areas. Remember, Amazon is a global company, so you can search for openings not just in your country but all around the world, if you're open to relocating. Once you enter your search criteria, a list of job openings will be generated for you. Each listing provides a brief overview, including details like job title, location, and a snippet about responsibilities. Clicking on a job title brings you to a detailed description page. Here, you'll find essential information such as job responsibilities, qualifications, and even the team you'll be working with. Pay close attention to these details as they help you determine if the role aligns with your professional goals and skills. Now let's move on to the application process. After narrowing down your options and identifying the perfect role, it's time to apply. On the job description page, you'll see an Apply Now button. Clicking it will prompt you to either sign in to your Amazon account or create a new one if you don't yet have one. If it's your first time applying, setting up your profile will involve filling out some basic personal information and uploading a current resume. It's worthwhile to tailor your resume to highlight relevant experience and skills that match the job requirements. Once your profile is set up, follow the prompts to complete your application. Make sure to double-check all the information for accuracy before submitting. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the Amazon job portal, found a position that suits your interests, and completed your application. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your application. Remember, patience is key in the job application process. Good luck, and I hope you find a great opportunity at Amazon.